Hailuo Minimax and Kling have just released some exciting updates. Minimax's subject reference feature is out of beta and available to everyone. This powerful tool allows you to maintain a consistent character across all scenes, emotions, and styles, using just one image. Meanwhile, Kling has rolled out updates to its lip sync and prompt tools, making the creative process even smoother. There's a lot to explore, so let's get started. Head over to Hailuo's website. If you're new to this tool, I recommend checking out one of our previous Minimax videos for a quick overview. Once you're ready, click on Create and look for the new Subject Reference tab. Click on it. You'll need to accept the terms of use before proceeding. Then, upload a reference image for your character. This can be an AI-generated image or even a photo of yourself. I will use this image I created in mid-journey of a woman wearing a futuristic superhero outfit. Minimax will attempt to detect a subject in your image. If it doesn't, you may need to crop the image or upload a different one. Once the subject is detected, click Confirm. Now it's time to enter a prompt for the scene you'd like to create. I asked ChatGPT to generate some prompts, and for this example, I'll use one where the character has just arrived at Space Cadet Boot Camp. There's a setting called Enhance Prompt, which I recommend keeping enabled. This lets Minimax automatically refine your input into a more detailed and descriptive scene. Below that, you'll find the quantity setting, which allows you to generate 1 or 2 videos at a time. Keep in mind that generating one video costs 45 credits, while a normal video generation costs 30 credits. It took about 10 minutes to generate, and the result is finally ready. Overall, I'm impressed. The character's physical appearance matches the reference image perfectly, but her outfit is completely different from what she was wearing in the reference. That said, the video adheres to the prompt beautifully. It captures everything I asked for. She steps off the shuttle with a mix of apprehension and determination. Recruits stand at attention in the background and drones hover nearby. The camera movement is spot on, tracking her descent from the shuttle and then panning to reveal the recruits. There's no significant morphing or strange movements, which is often a challenge in these kinds of videos. Overall, I'd call this video a success. Next, I tested some additional scenes with our recruit. This one was slightly less impressive due to some odd movements and a moment of visual hallucination as she pivots. However, this could be attributed to the holograms I included in the prompt. As in the previous video, her outfit is different, but her face and hair remain consistent. I have to say, Minimax's ability to follow camera movement directives is very impressive. I really like this one. She is maneuvering a starship through a dense asteroid field. This one turned out great, despite some minor morphing of the drones. I decided to try specifying her outfit in the prompt to see if it would match the reference image. While it did adhere to my description, the outfit still didn't match the original reference. This leads me to believe Minimax prioritizes replicating the face and other physical features from the reference image, not the clothing. So, if you're looking for precise clothing consistency, this tool might not be the best option. But for maintaining facial features and overall physical attributes, it performs exceptionally well. Next, let's try this image. I kept the prompt simple, her riding a horse on a farm. The result is impressive overall, though there are a couple of minor inconsistencies. Her hair appears longer than in the reference image, and her right hand occasionally shifts between being bare and gloved. Aside from that, the scene looks great. Here she is eating pizza at a restaurant. While the physics of her eating the pizza aren't quite natural, her hair looks much closer to the reference image. Now let's put this man in an office working on his computer. First off, I have no idea what's happening with his outfit. Maybe he didn't finish putting his jacket on all the way.
It's not sexy, it's animal.
No, it's not sexy at all.
Then there's the pen in his right hand, which seems to have a life of its own. It's as if the pen is trying to merge with his fingers and become one. But credit where it's due. His face is spot on with the reference image. After a hard day's work, he likes to catch some gnarly waves. Let's hope he remembered to slather on sunscreen because that sun looks relentless. But wait, who's that random guy crashing his video at the end? So far, we've only tested photorealistic images, but what about cartoon characters? Let's try this anime fighter. The video's aesthetics are great, but I don't think he fully resembles the reference. Plus, instead of battling the monsters, he's off punching and kicking the air. Thankfully, the monsters seem to be ignoring him entirely. Overall, I'm impressed with this tool. It does a solid job maintaining consistent overall physical attributes across scenes, with detailed backgrounds and smooth camera movements. Now let's check out Kling's updates. We'll start with the updated prompt tools available under the text-to-video and image-to-video tabs. Click on Get Inspirations to access the new prompt dictionary. Here, you'll find pre-made prompts for various categories like lens, shot types, and light and shadow. To use any of these, simply click on one, and it will add it in the prompt box. It seems you can only add one lens instruction and one shot type at a time, but you can include multiple light and shadow options. If you change your mind about a preset, just delete it. You can also create your own presets for quick and easy access. For example, if you frequently use a prompt, you can save it as a preset instead of pasting it every time. Simply click on the save icon, and it will be added to my presets, where you can edit or delete it as needed. Once saved, it's ready to use whenever you want. Another way to add a preset is by clicking Create New Preset. Enter a title and the content, then click Save Preset. To manage all your presets, click on Manage Presets, which takes you to your Creatives folder. From there, you can edit or delete your saved presets. Hints have also been added for use in your prompts. Of course, you can modify the prompt to suit your needs, and clicking the Refresh button will give you a new set of hints. The image-to-video tool has also received a prompt upgrade. Hints have been added here as well, with the key difference being that an image is included. There's a prompt dictionary also, though it isn't as expansive as the text-to-video tools dictionary. You can also create your own presets, just like with the text tool. Please note that preset functionality is only available in the 1.6 model. If you switch to a previous model, you'll notice the Get Inspirations and Save options are missing. However, there's an easy workaround. Simply switch back to the 1.6 model, select the preset, and then return to your preferred version. The Lip Sync tool just received an upgrade too. There's now a new tab called Lip Sync, and when you click on it, a fresh interface appears. You can now upload a video, whereas before, you had to generate one directly in Kling. Kling also added some new avatars that you can use. As for the audio options, clicking the settings icon brings up the pop-up you see here. However, when I tried uploading different videos, they were analyzed but didn't actually upload. To check if it's a bug in the software or an issue with my videos, I decided to use a video I generated in Kling for the lip sync. I entered a simple audio text and selected one of the available voices.
I must defeat him. I will not fail. If he dies, he dies.
After confirming it worked with this video, I downloaded it and tried uploading again. Unfortunately, the same problem occurred. Hopefully, Kling addresses this issue soon. Is anyone else experiencing problems with this feature? Let me know down below. So, what do you think of these updates? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Thank you for watching.